These are all the items that I thrifted that I haven't done anything with yet. I'm going to try and do some thrifting and style. We're going to the thrift store. We're going to do a few flips and then we're going to show you how we decorate with them. I have a Pinterest picture of like this coffee mug with a tree coming out of it. We have several easy thrifted projects to show you, including this coffee mug that was inspired by Pinterest. Two of these. I am obsessed with them. They would make such amazing jewelry display tables.
Hey, we're making this display coffee table that you got at the thrift store.
Oh, I had seen a table like this at Anthropologie 10 years ago and I was obsessed with it. I have kept my eyes peeled for one and finally last week at the thrift store, there it was. We gave it such a beautiful makeover and I can't wait to show you how we did that.
Bobby.
Hey, I'll put it right on top.
Ah, thank you.
With the first cart.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much.
It is Sunday. I am going back into the thrift store that I rushed through last week because they had so many good Christmas items and I want to see if I can find some more things for the IOD release. So I'm going to the one that nobody likes but me. Let's check it out. I love it on Sundays.
Okay, 30% off Christmas home goods and premium.
Behold, here is another cat. I think I am not going to do it. I do really like this plain white creamer. I saw something on Pinterest that this could be totally cute.
We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
Okay, this could maybe be the Ralph Lauren piece that I am clueless.
It's a Lazy Susan. We painted it with the mint chip and I'm going to stamp a town across here and I'm going to attach it. And it's going to be like
we're going to put a candle in the middle.
It's going to be a little spinning town.
Hey guys, if you missed our video from last week, here is a flashback to what we did. There was so many good projects. After this video, you're going to want to make sure you go back and watch it because it's so good. It's a new IOD holiday Christmas release. Debbie and the team did over a dozen projects out of the box theme. Even though it's early, you're not going to want to miss all these new products and creative ideas because you're going to want to do them for the holidays. Okay, go back and watch it.
Okay, I really like this rustic little box and I think this might be good for the Ralph Lauren transfer. This little planter also has that rustic factor to it. That little box right there is really cute. It just needs paint. All right, I have an idea for this $4 mug. I love those. They're still priced way too high. I remember when they were full price. This little basket shape could be so cute hanging on a front door. This pig is everything I wanted my cat to be, but didn't work out. He's $18. He's too cute to pass up. Two of these. I am obsessed with them. They would make such amazing jewelry display tables.
Girl, what are you doing today? We're making this display coffee table that you got at the thrift store.
Oh my
Fabulous.
goodness.
Painted it with the Blue Hills.
Yes, that is such a good color and it dries darker. So see how light it is in the jar compared to how it dries? It's a built-in top coat paint and it's perfect for this.
Now I'm putting golden tickets along the edges.
You know, I have to say that this was like, on a scale of 1 to 10, it was like a solid 8. But once you added the golden ticket,
It's a 10.
It's a total 10. It's a beyond the 10. What are we going to do with the inside?
I think you're going to put some sand
And some,
fancy seashells.
Yeah.
I think you're rhinestoning up.
yeah, and all of our seashell jewelry that just came in. I'm going to go visit Rose and take a look.
Hi, good afternoon.
What have you got?
Oh, seashell necklaces. Look at them. Look at this. In gold. It's interchangeable.
It's going to look so good in that cat.
I mean, look at it on my outfit.
Oh, perfect.
With little pearl beads.
And they're so reasonably priced.
Yes.
I love them. Look at all
$22.
these. Wow. Ooh, that
And then
one's
this one, it's
that's-
called a swirl.
That's my favorite one. Oh, those are so cute.
Adorable.
Totally pretty.
And then look at these little
Oh,
starfish.
Those remind me of the Anthropologie ice cream cone.
It's like a ceramic.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
How much are those? We don't know yet.
Sorry.
They're not priced yet, but Ellie can cut the listing.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Rose. These are all the items that I thrifted that I haven't done anything with yet. And I'm going to try and do some thrifting and styling. There's my dad in the background. He's knitting up his bookshelf. We're going to use some of these with the Christmas IOD that we didn't get to last week. This box is super pretty. Look at this. All we need to do really is just to paint this and maybe add a little gold back to it. And I was thinking, I have a Pinterest picture of like this coffee mug with a tree coming out of it. Maybe Ellie can cut that in. And then I also got this one because if it turns out good, then maybe I'll do 2 of them. This, I was thinking like a Ralph Lauren look, and also this box right here. I don't know if I'm going to do anything or just a little bit. We'll just see.
I am well aware that it is 80 degrees in most places around the country right now, but we are still in Christmas mode because the IOD release just came out and we did not have time to finish all of our projects last week. So I saved one of the best ones for last. I'm using the Darling Holiday Transfer and I'm using paint frosting along with the cottage color. You take about a half a teaspoon of this paint frosting, you mix it into the paint color of your choice, you stir it for about 5 minutes and it thickens up and it looks like snow. You just sprinkle a little glitter before that paint dries. And it is the most magical, wonderful, easy, fun effect. You can do it with your grandkids, you can do it with your kids, and get into the Christmas spirit in the middle of August, like us.
Who is back in town? Bobby,
Hey,
what are you doing?
I'm checking this box out from Lisa Roth from Quartzstein, Arizona.
Lisa, thank
She's on
you.
the way. So I'll put it right on top.
Thank you. With the first cart. Here's cart number 2. This one is a luxury cart. We've never had one like this before. What do you think of it, Bobby? It's good.
This month's subscription box is so fun because we are using this easy transfer method to get a hand-painted look, even if you're a beginner. You will get everything you need in your box, including this beautiful white felted hat. We're using DIY paint, which is so pigmented, it will create this gorgeous watercolor effect on your hat. You will get everything you need in your box, including a private video from me. I was only able to find a limited amount of these hats. So if you want to be part of this next box, be sure and sign up before they're sold out. We have just a few spots left.
If you're not in the video, Dad, then people complain in the comments. Where's your dad? See all of those boxes right there? Those are all the hats.
Hats?
Yeah, they're going to be the next subscription box, but they're in the way. We can't get to anything. They're not very heavy, so we need to put them up here. We need to take those down and put them up there and take those and maybe put those over on the... We could stack all those up there on the sofa.
You mean these boxes?
Yeah. What do you think?
That's a spring thing. It's
I know,
not
but
going to be very stable.
We gotta make room. What do you suggest? You have any ideas? Jenny, you got any ideas?
I'm just the shipping manager.
I'm here at the store. It is Thursday, I think. We got to get some clips to Ellie. This is the next thrifted item. I'm going to take it into Jenny and have her paint it a color. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're just going to do something. We're just going to wing it this week. I feel like I just obsess over things too much. You tell me in the comments that I do. Jenny, I need you to paint this too for the video. I'm just going to let you decide. I just need you to give it a makeover. I want you to just let it all out. Just let it loose. Okay. Just go with it. Don't worry if it turns out good or bad. Just
Is this going to be a Christmas thing?
It would be good if we use more of the IOD, but it could be anything. I really don't care. I just want your creative juices to flow.
Okay.
I wanted to use the same transfer method that I used for the hats on this ornament holiday craft kit. This ornament kit is going to be featured in the next issue of Where Women Create. You can purchase this kit on our website or on the Where Women Create website. The transfer method is kind of like a stencil, but you can work on a curved surface. It does the hard part for you, so you can get right down to the highlighting, the shading, and the color combinations. Finally went to Michael's and I got some sand for our pretty display. And look at how pretty the jewelry looks. Love my display cabinet. So gorgeous. We fixed our mannequin so that her hat wouldn't hide the necklace. Pretty seashell necklaces. They're on the website. I'll have Ellie cut them in. They're very pretty. They're just fun pieces of jewelry. Starfish earrings look like ceramic. We only have one pair, and the picture we have is kind of lackluster compared to how they really look. And there's our seashell with the rhinestone.
Still you stay cause you feel something real.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Whoops, I made a big yes.
You did, but tell everyone what you're going to do right here. See the shelf? They want to move the shelf right there. That this is in the way. I said, well, we're going to have to make the shelf. We're going to have to modify it, make it skinnier. But then what did you say?
Except now we're gonna move that.
Hey, Jim. How you doing? What do you got there? You got a new puppy?
No, this is not mine.
Who is that? It's a little girl, and her name is either Stevie or Gigi. Trying to decide. And Levi is being the good big brother. Gigi or Stevie? You guys let us know in the comments what you think. What kind of dog is she, Carol?
She's a micro Bernedoodle. She's 3 months old. And we just got her at 1:30 in the morning last night.
Carol's only had a couple hours sleep, and we're going to go live today.
Yes, we are.
I have this mug right here. I looked at the inspo photos and I realized that most of them are AI. I'm feeling like just let your hair down. I'm going to go in the back. I'm going to get all the Christmas crap that I have crammed into my Christmas bin, and I'm going to glue every last thing in here, and I'm going to maximalize it. I'm not even going to care. It's like now we have to beat some AI generated digital image that we couldn't possibly attain. So this thing is going to get it.
Ready, putting on my suede shoes some days. You just gotta let loose, hit every street like a dance floor. Baby, spin my favorite song, get it thumping.
I used the paint frosting again and a tiny little mirror to create a skating pond. The key is to cram in as much Christmas crap as you can.
I hope you're loving the video so far. I wanted to pop on here and tell you about the promo that we're running this week. If you spend $40, you're going to receive a free little craft kit of the hand-cut houses that Grandpa made, a piece of greenery, and a little mirror like Debbie used in her mug, her knockoff of the AI project that she did, so that you can make your very own, but do whatever you want to do with it. As well as supplies last, because Grandpa only cut a few, I think he only cut 20 of these little houses. So go find something that could be our monthly subscription box, that could be the new jewelry, new IOD release, whatever you want to find, spend $40 and you will receive this free kit.
And you back here, miss, what are you doing?
I'm working on some stamps.
Yes, are you having fun with that?
It's so much fun. These stamps are amazing. To really make some cutie patootie ones for the holidays. I have a little pumpkin in the month of November.
Excellent. What are you doing? Reorientating?
Rejig it.
Rejiggling? Reswaggling?
The lights are pointing towards nothing. Nowhere.
Oh no. See, that's what Bobby does. He comes in and makes things functional.
At least they're pointing
Right?
at something. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm checking in on Carol. She was using the Timely Tales stamp.
Well, I've improved since the first month I did. And what makes it so easy, this particular stamp, I can put all the little numbers, everything for the calendar right on there, and I'll make it one
you gonna show us?
stamp. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just going to line up these numbers.
She's real good, you guys.
And then sometimes I do even do a little rolling.
Oh yes, the rolling. And voila, so good.
September.
That's how you do it.
One stamp.
We're using our watercolor paper pads. What a cute gift to give someone at the beginning of the year.
Yes.
I have been having so much fun with this transfer method that I decided to create another kit. In the video tutorial, I will show you how to get the marks down, but then how to fly free from there. We will go over layering colors, darkest to light, highlight and shading, and before you know it, you are going to be hand painting on all kinds of things, and you will be giving them as gifts, and you might even get a head start on the holidays.
What are you doing?
I am working on the box that you gave me to paint, and I chose to use Farm Fresh, the DIY paint, because I love that color.
Yes, I love
and
that color
I like it with the brown too.
Yeah.
And I'm going to use some of the transfer, the Lost Garden transfer.
Oh, Lost Garden is so moody floral.
And then I'm going to probably do a few things inside. And
Excellent. Okay, I will check.
We are going to show you all our Christmas stuff. We're going to stage it right here. So here's the before, and soon you're going to have the after.
Okay, so snap your fingers so it'll be like.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
Stay tuned for one more project, and I have the cutest video of Lola that went viral on Instagram this week at the very end. To find all the products used in this video, to find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, click the link below.
I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay.
I forgot to show you. These are our seashells that we're embellishing. I think this is going to be like a future craft kit. Probably not this particular shell, but we'll do some glammed up seashells for Christmas ornaments. So I'm just taking this rhinestone chain and our E6000 glue, and I'm applying it to the gloriousness of the seashell.
Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life.